This is the second part of the video tutorial of hearing intervals. So now that we have our guide that we used in NoteFlight here, and let's say you wanted to practice set number 1, you wanted to practice these octaves, fifths, and fourths. Here's a website for you to try. It's called tonesavvy.com. I like it. It's a nice interface. You can click on the ones that you want. We're just going to do 5 questions for now, and we're going to go. Boom, B. Okay, so you notice that I sang them. I may not have the world's greatest voice, but whatever, you're just trying to get it in your head and associate songs, like the fifth being Star Wars and the fourth being the wedding song, things like that. And over the course of time, you'll start to get used to that. There's the 5 I did, there's my score, took me this long. Take a screenshot or a picture with your phone, upload that to Schoology, and I'll give you the grade that you have here. Let me just show you one more website. This is teoria.com. You can do this in English or Spanish, so it's a great tool. For this one, let's say that I want to practice set number 4, because I think I know what I'm doing, and I want to practice all these intervals. So I'm going to go here. I've practiced my singing and all that, and let's try it. Ooh. Okay, so in that one, I didn't get all of the different intervals, but in this program, it's pretty cool because it tells me which intervals it did give me and my score and how long it took me and all of that. So I hope that was helpful. And of course, you can let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.